Hey, what is up guys? In this video I'm going to show how can you turn camlin brush pen to COPICS. For that we gon' need container, camlin brush pens, rubbing alcohol on nail paint remover. Take 10 milliliters of nail paint remover and put it in bottle. Then remove cartridge and nib of the pen, put it in bottle, then leave it overnight.
The next day.
Now take out cartridge and nib out of bottle. Let's assemble back the pens. Finally our camlin brush pens COPICS are ready to use. Let's make some swatches and try blending these colors. Swatches and blending looks good except yellow. For any questions ask me in comments. Hope you like this video. Please give a like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in next video. Until then, peace out.